canisters binding, machines hum with unspoken words. Soulbinder Naazindhri weaves her web of dress. Ethereal canisters pulse above the dead. Soul calling echoes through Manaforge halls. Pods awaken like spectral thralls. Free crimson beams tear through the night. Soul fray orb ignites in bliss.
Porque alguien salta antes.
Canisters shatter, souls unbound. Ethereal forms rise from rusted ground. Mage assassin, phase blade swarm. Each with intent to wreck the formed. We endure the flood of arcane lore. Shadow guards, night crashes at the door. Void blade ambush, tears at our life as the blades ripple with relentless spine. Arcane expulsion flees us wide. Knockback floods across the forge we abide. Spellburn lingers, marrow to cease. Mystic lash tests our resolve with ease. Soulfire Convergence marks the view. Orbs explode, slowing those they pursue. We scatter, we evade, we stay alive. Dodging wrath's relentless drive. Essence implosion, shadows with might. Canisters explode in chaotic light. At surge, guardians rip from their bind. We cleave through them, Soulkiss refined. The cycle returns, the dance resumes. Pods reawaken under smoky gloom. Three more orbs tear through the chambers. Heartbreaking bindings where dormant souls stalk. Arcane expulsion shatters the void. Knockback spills across steel ember. Healers breaths through burning haze. We press on unchanged by mortal days. Soulfire Convergence breeds despair. Orbs scatter like lost souls through air. We stagger, we falter, yet still we fight, fanning hope through endless night. Axis spawn again, binds were broken. Phasably snap, mages retoken. Shadow guards might surges once more. We cleave them down on the warforged floor. Essence implosion strikes again. Canisters ripped with anguish roar. Our hearts pulse with arcane strength. Yet we refuse to bend, we will reign. Soul calling fades into silent echoes. Naazindhri's power and ruin our shows. Chambers pulse with arcane flame. Souls imprisoned bear the name. Naazindhri's binds begin to break. Canisters shatter, freedom awake. earth shakes